Cornelis Corneliszoon van Haarlem was born 1562, died November 11, 1638. He was a Dutch Golden Age painter and draftsman, one of the leading Northern Mannerist artists in the Netherlands, and an important forerunner of Frans Hals as a portraitist. He painted mainly portraits as well as mythological and biblical subjects. Initially Cornelis Cornelisz painted large-size, highly stylized works with Italianate nudes and twisted poses with a grotesque, unnatural anatomy. Later, his style changed to one based on the Netherlandish realist tradition. He started an informal drawing school that has become known in art history circles as the Haarlem Academy or Haarlem Mannerists. Probably this was a very informal grouping, perhaps meeting to draw nude models, and certainly to exchange artistic views. Corneliszoon also played a role in the failed attempt to make a nude charter for the Haarlem Guild of St in 1630, which tried to raise the status of the artists. His registered pupils were Salomon de Bray, Cornelis Jacobsz Delff, Cornelis Engelsz, and Gerrit Pietersz Sweelink.